Hello everyone, good day. Now we are going to discuss about the cascade variable field on the order guide. Before looking on to the cascade variable field, let's discuss what is cascade. By using that variable, it is a checkbox. So when you are enabling that, so it will copy the information which is present on the initial form that can be copied to the catalog items. If you are using um, same field on the order guide directly, and those fields are present on the catalog items which are linked to the order guide. If both are same, so whatever you are passing in the order guide field value, it will copy the same value to the catalogs field also. Let's check. Type order guide in the filter navigator and open order guides. We have out of the box two order guides. Let's open new hire. In new hire, you can see cascade variables. This is the field which I'm talking about. So if you are checking or unchecking, by checking it, so it will copy the values that are present in the variables which matches the catalog fields. So in rule base, these all are the catalogs attached to this order guide. When you are working on this order guide, these catalog items forms will be displayed. First it will display the order guide variables, then it will move to the catalog items form. So let's uncheck this. By unchecking it, so whatever values you are filling in the order guide form, it will not copy to the catalog items. So here you can see I have added additional software requirements. That field is created by me. Let's open standard laptop. In standard laptop catalog item, we are using the same field in the variables. Here you can see additional software requirements. So I'm using on the order guide, same field, and on the catalog item. Let's click on try it. So this is the order guide form. You need to fill all the fields which are present on the form. System head administrator, hiring manager, it is populating automatically whoever logged in user. This can be written in a client scripts, catalog client scripts. Let's start giving the department as development, and let's give additional software requirements as test. Now let's move on to the next option, that is choose options. This is the first form that is related to the order guide. After you're moving to the choose options, it will give the catalog items that is linked to the order guide. Let's click on choose options. So these are the catalog items, different catalog item. First one is standard laptop, other one is standard 27 monitor. You can see in new hire rule based related list. Let me open this. In rule base, you can see standard laptop, standard 27 monitor, new email account. So these are the catalog items. In standard laptop, we have the same field, additional software requirements. In earlier step, we given additional software requirements as test, but it's not copied to the catalog item because we are not using the cascade variable checkbox here. It is unchecked, so it's not passing that value to the catalog item. Let's enable the checkbox cascade variables and let's save it and let's try it again. Now it should pass the value to the catalog item. Here you can see, let's type testing order guide cascade variable. So these value, additional software requirements value should be passed to the catalog item. Let's select all the mandatory fields and let's move on to the next step. In standard laptop, we are using the same field which is present on the order guide. Additional software requirements. Now you can see whatever value that we are giving in the first form, described needs, that is passed to the catalog item. Same testing, order guide, cascade variables. This is how we can use cascade variables. Not only in this catalog item, wherever we have same fields on the catalog items, it will pass same value to all the catalog items related to that order guide. Thank you.